From the main menu, click on Login and enter your credentials. From the menu bar on the left, choose Courses. Select Create New Course. Next, choose Course Template. Select None to leave the course empty, or use one of our prefabricated courses. Please note, you cannot change this later. Name your course. Consider level, subject, and audience. You can add a teacher to your course now, or do it later. Set the course as scheduled and fill out the dates, or select Unscheduled to schedule later, or create a course without class dates. When you are finished, click Create Course.